Hello friends! If your Samsung Galaxy phone is automatically answering incoming calls and you'd rather answer them yourself, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to disable the automatic call answer feature in just a few easy steps. Begin by opening the phone app. It's the green phone icon that you use for making and receiving calls. Once you're in the phone app, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a list of additional options. From the menu, tap Settings to access the phone's call settings. Next, find and select Answering and Ending Calls. Samsung places several useful call-related options in this section, including automatic answering. Now, look for the Answer Automatically setting. If the switch is turned on, your phone may automatically answer incoming calls after a short delay whenever it's connected to a Bluetooth headset or wired earphones. To disable the feature, simply tap the toggle so it turns off. The setting is saved instantly, so there's no need to restart your phone or confirm any changes. From now on, every incoming call will require you to answer it manually, helping you avoid accidental call pickups and giving you more control over your conversations. That's how easy it is to turn off automatic call answer on a Samsung Galaxy phone. If you ever want to enable the feature again, just follow the same steps and switch it back on. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more Samsung and Android tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or would like to see more helpful guides.